Suppose there was a group who set out for a fishing trip. The group was led by a guide who they trusted would lead them to fish.
Plenty of fish here.
He led them to water, but the group became full of excuses for why they couldn't fish. Some people came on the trip dressed the part and full of great fishing stories, but never seemed to do anything. Some claim they did not have the heart for fishing.
I can't fish. Cooking a worm? It's just too cruel.
But you know it's a rubber worm, right? Some said the work should be left to those whom were more skilled in the art of fishing.
Carl, he's really good at casting. Shouldn't he be doing all the fishing?
No, you can do it. It's really simple. Look, some claim that fishing was not their gift.
Hey, fishing's really not my thing. In fact, it scored a 0 on my spiritual gifts test, so...
No, we could still really use your help. Before the guide could finish, Carl interrupted him.
I think I got one.
Hey, great. You mind helping out with some of the others?
No, it's okay.
Carl was more impressed with catching fish on his own than he was in helping people out, like Greg here.
I got a small problem here. My line's a little tangled up.
Oh, my goodness. How in the world did that...
Some of the people fishing said they just didn't have time to fish.
Matt, where are you going?
Oh, yeah. I have an appointment thing that's going around. It's okay. I got a stick. It's doing great. It's great. Whoa. Oops.
And some people, well, they just had problems.
Hey, my hook's caught on something.
What's it caught on?
If everyone did their part, imagine the fish that could be caught.